Time for Chef Suzy!
Hi, welcome to the Produce Pick of the Month, and I'm Chef Suzy, and we're talking about bell peppers. Did you know that if you look at the bottom of a bell pepper, you can count the points and see if it's a male or a female? This one here has 1, 2, 3 points, which means it's a male. But this one here that I cut open already had 4 points, which means the female. Female peppers are sweeter. So when you're at the grocery store, you can pick red, yellow, green, orange, but always look in the bottom and look to see if it's a female. If it has 4 points, it's gonna be sweeter. Bell peppers are packed with so much nutrition, and did you know they have 92% water right inside this bell pepper? Packed with vitamin C, they're low in calories, they've got antioxidants, protein, and fiber. And guess what? It's a fruit. That's right, it's got seeds, which means these are fruit. So if you look on your My Plate, where do you think bell peppers go? That's right, they go right here with the fruits. So today, we're gonna make a great recipe that you can bring to parties, or you can make for sleepovers, or you can make them for after-school snacks. They're called bell pepper sailboats. Let's get started. So I already opened up this bell pepper here, the female one, and you see it's got a bunch of seeds. So I'm just gonna cut the seeds right out. I'm also gonna cut the inside part, which we call the cartilage of the bell pepper. I'm gonna cut this right off, and I'm gonna shape my bell pepper into the bottom of little sailboats. So all I'm gonna do is just cut it like this, and then you see you're left with this part of a bell pepper. Then we'll just cut it into the bottom of boats, 1 and 2. This will be the bottom of our sailboats, just like that. Then we're gonna put on top of them anything you want, but I'm using hummus. You could use peanut butter, you could use cream cheese, whatever you like. I'm gonna put hummus right on top of them, and that's gonna hold our sail. Our sail is gonna be, what do you think I should make a sail out of? You got it, a piece of cheddar cheese. So I'm gonna put my sailboats right here, and I've already cut up some cheddar cheese in the size of sails, and I'm gonna put it right in top of the hummus, just like so. See if this one sticks. There we go. And we've got a perfect little sailboat. And I got one more here too for this guy. This guy right here. Let's go sailing. These are my bell pepper sailboats, and you can make them your way with all different colors of bell peppers, any kind of cheese you want to use, any kind of stuffing you want to use. It's a great snack, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you want to know about bell peppers, when you get to the grocery store, you want to make sure they're nice and shiny. They don't have any bruises, and there's no cuts in them. And then you want to make sure you wash them real good too. That's how you pick a good bell pepper. Look for a deep, vivid color at the grocery store. Then, when you get home, you'll see this glossy sheen, and you'll know you picked the right one without blemishes or bruises, and nice and firm. You want to make sure they're nice and firm too. So you can make stuffed peppers with bell peppers. You can saute them in garlic and olive oil. Boy, I like eating them raw because they're a great snack because they're so crunchy and sweet and delicious too. Oh, my sail fell down. See guys, you can make your sails smaller so they don't fall down too. But these are sailboats, and they're gonna be sailing soon right into your mouth. So just to let you know, every month I'm bringing at you the Produce Pick of the Month. So I'll see you next month. Enjoy your bell peppers.